Introducing the modern Ember Smart Linear Electric Fireplace, a cutting-edge addition to your home that seamlessly combines style, comfort, and convenience. This review will delve into the features and benefits of this electric fireplace, highlighting its dual installation options, smart remote control, year-round ambience control, customizable flame effects, sleek design, and eco-friendly attributes. Whether you seek to enhance the aesthetic of your living space or want an eco-conscious heating solution, this electric fireplace offers a compelling choice that caters to your every need. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation versatility. This electric fireplace offers 2 flexible installation options. You can choose to mount it directly on a wall for a contemporary look that adds elegance to your space. Alternatively, it can be recessed into a wall or frame, providing a seamless and integrated appearance that blends harmoniously with your interior design. This dual installation capability ensures that you can tailor the fireplace to suit your preferences and room layout. Number 2. Smart remote control and voice compatibility. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is the included remote control. With this remote, you can easily manage various aspects of your fireplace's functionality. Adjust heat settings, flame colors, and power on/off the device with the touch of a button. Moreover, the fireplace is compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control it using voice commands. This integration with smart home technology enhances convenience and accessibility. Number 3. Year-round ambience control. This electric fireplace is designed to offer year-round comfort and ambience control. You can set your desired room temperature within the range of 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your space remains cozy during colder months. In the summertime, you have the option to completely turn off the heat while still enjoying the mesmerizing flames. Number 4. Customizable flame and ember effects. This fireplace provides an extensive range of customization options to suit your style and mood. It offers 10 different flame colors, allowing you to switch between warm, cool, and vibrant hues. You can also choose from 5 brightness settings and 3 flame speed options to tailor the flame's appearance to your liking. Additionally, the fireplace includes 10 ember bed colors, enhancing your ability to personalize its look and feel. Number 5. Modern and sleek design. This electric fireplace boasts a modern and sleek design that can elevate the aesthetic of any space. Its concealed heater vents create a streamlined frame, ensuring a clean and unobtrusive appearance without unsightly grates or vents. With a slim profile of just 6.375 inches deep, this fireplace serves as a stunning centerpiece while saving valuable floor space. Number 6. Range of width options. This electric fireplace is available in various widths, including 50 inches, 60 inches, 72 inches, 84 inches, and 100 inches. This range of sizes allows you to select the perfect fit for your room, whether you have a compact living space or a more expansive area to accommodate. Number 7. Eco-friendly and safe. This electric fireplace offers environmental friendliness as it does not emit pollutants or fumes. It serves as a safe alternative to traditional gas or wood-burning fireplaces, requiring no vents or chimneys. Significantly reduces the risk of fire hazards, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 6.4 inches depth by 72 inches width by 18.13 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. What's in the box? Let's dive into what's in the box. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Dual installation options for flexibility. Smart remote control and voice compatibility. Year-round ambience control with adjustable temperature. Extensive customization of flame and ember effects. One reason not to buy. May be relatively heavy to install. Conclusion. The modern Ember Smart Linear Electric Fireplace, particularly the Highmark 72-inch model, offers a versatile, customizable, and eco-friendly heating solution with a sleek and modern design. Its smart features, including remote control and voice compatibility, make it a convenient addition to any home. Whether you're looking for a heating source or a stunning focal point for your living space, this electric fireplace provides both functionality and style. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.